So I was out letting the goats graze and whatnot outside of the barn, eating the weeds, and I saw a big gash on Xena. So I brought her in and put her in the milking stand so we could get a better look. That's gonna need stitches, in my opinion. What did you do, Xena, honey? What did you do, love? I don't know, we don't have any fencing. This has never happened to any of our goats before. So we walked around this to make sure nothing was, we couldn't find any fur and blood on anything, just to make sure the other animals don't get injured as well. We decided we're not gonna call the vet. We're gonna do this ourselves. We're gonna shave it, clean it with betadine flush, and see to what extent the layers are that are cut open, and sew them back together with some stitches. We have some lidocaine as well. So that's what we're gonna do. So I found some antibiotics, and then I'm just getting out some different size syringes and flushing material. Okay, Xena. His wound on his neck. Okay, so now we're gonna flush your betadine. So Tim has a staple gun. Here's Xena. Get some grain. So pinching back together and stapling. That other little section, yeah. It's okay, Xena. You want space. You want space in between the staples so it can drain.
Okay. Drain.
We could put the goat coat on, it should be really hot, but we could put it on after we put the ace bandage around. Xena. We think the best thing to do to keep the ace bandage on is to put a coat on her. It's not too hot yet. Xena, you're all right. Got her? Ready?
Yeah.
Here you go, love. I know you're not going to be happy with that. Okay, Xena. You're going to have to be by yourself for a couple days, Miss Lady. Goodness gracious. So Tim is out there. He mixed the antibiotics with the water, so when she drinks, she'll have antibiotics. And then he is crawling under the milk stand and filing sharp edges. It's the only thing we can think of that she scraped herself on. So she's got antibiotics on board. We flushed it, shaved it, stapled it, antibiotic, wiped it, covered it, wrapped it in ace bandage, and then wrapped it in a goat coat that we have. So it's not too hot here. It's only about 65, maybe 70, so she'll be okay in that goat coat. And we'll check on her. We'll open that up and check on it in a few days. Also, we'll watch for signs of infection, if she stops drinking or eating, temperature, any weird behavior. So, what, 4 days later?
Yeah.
About 4 days later, wound looks really good. Clean it with some more betadine. She's been drinking her antibiotic, so that hasn't hurt. Hi, it's been about 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, and Xena, gashed goat, her wound's totally healed. She has a smidgen of a scab. I wish the scab would fall, but I'm gonna take off her coat and let her be. It looks really good. Here, let's go get a picture. All right, took off her goat coat, so she's free of that. Let's go see if she'll let us look. I couldn't film and take off the goat coat. That was impossible. Xena, how do you feel, Xena? So we just want to make sure she doesn't go and rub that up against something and rip it off, but looks pretty good. So Xena, the gashed goat, totally recovered. She's scratching herself, but not, she's been doing that for a while, not on the wound. So I do recommend, if you have the skills, to try to fix something minor with your own animals first. It creates good learning. And but however, if in the very first step or two things aren't going well or regressing or things are getting infected, don't hesitate to call for veterinarian care, because you don't want to lose your animal. And so that's our goat care with a gash. See ya. Happy homesteading.